Okay, here is the Polar Express G-gauge train. We set it up in our kitchen so that you can see what it looks like. And here's the remote that powers it. Train makes all kinds of cool noises, and has a bell and a whistle on it too. To start it up, what you need to do is you push the button on the top of the train. As you can hear, it makes some pretty cool idle noises. And this train's pretty nice. It's big enough to put around a Christmas tree, and it's made pretty well. And I'll show you guys how this thing works. We got it going. And there she goes. This is what the control looks like. You just turn this dial. That's the whistle noise that it makes. Looks like the front wheel came off the track on me, but that's alright. You'll get the idea about how fast it goes and how big the layout is. It'll definitely go around your Christmas tree. Oh, another pretty cool feature that this has is it even has a little guy that sits on top of the train. There's a little trap door right here. So you can press in, and here says you can't buy a hobo. He fixed the put the train back on the track. And let me make it go around one more time so you can see what it looks like with the hobo. And it has forward and reverse also. And there she goes. It has a light on the front. It also has a reverse function too, to bring it to a stop. See, now I'm going to back it up. And this is the Lionel G-gauge Polar Express. Thank you for watching that video. Visit us online at hobocrossing.com.